Hello friends and teachers. Today I will present my English assignments from 6th grade with Professor Nicholas about the Japanese culture. Japan has a lot of instruments to sing their favorite songs. Examples of Japanese instruments. Koto, a 13-stringed instrument with movable bridges, considered as Japan's national instruments. Biwa, a short-necked, pear-shaped instrument often used for storytelling. Hichariki, a double reed instrument used in gakaku. Taiko, a generic term for drums, ranging from small hand drums to massive buki. Typical Japanese clothes. Japan has a big clothing culture that we might not even know. Some of the traditional Japanese clothes are kimono, is called by the national costume of Japan, worn for ceremonies, weddings, and special events. Yukata, a casual cotton kimono worn in summer, often at festivals or after bathing. Haori, a traditional jacket worn over a kimono. Japanese movie cultures. Japan has a considerable movie culture. Here are some Japanese movie genres for you. Jidaigeki, period dramas, stories set before 1868, often focusing on samurai and honor such as Seven Samurai. Shomongeki, home dramas, realistic depictions of daily life and family, pioneered by directors like Yasujiro Ozu. Anime, a massive internationally renowned industry that often explores deep, emotional, or philosophical themes. Japanese local traditions. Japanese traditions center on respect, harmony, and rituals. There are some examples of Japanese traditions you need to know. Bowing, ojiji, a fundamental gesture for greetings, apologies, or showing respect with depth indicating formality. Dinner etiquette, slurping noodles is polite, signals enjoyment, while passing food between chopsticks is forbidden, mimics funeral rites. Shoes and home, removing shoes before entering homes or traditional ryokan is mandatory. Respect for nature and seasons, hanami, cherry blossom viewing, in spring, and momchi, maple leaf viewing in autumn, celebrate nature's transience. Japanese festivals and rituals. We don't even talk or celebrate Japanese festivals, so here are some summer and autumn Japanese festivals. Gion Matsuri, entire month of July. Japan's most famous festival in Kyoto. Tenjin Matsuri, July 24 to 25. Osaka's River Procession. Aomori Nebuta Festival, August 2 to 7. Massive illuminated floats. Sendai Tanabata Festival, August 6 to 8. Elaborate streamers. Awa Odori Dance Festival, August 12 to 15. Famous dance event in Tokushima. Chiwada Danjiri Festival, mid-September, high-speed, intense float pulling. Takayama Autumn Festival, October 9 to 10, similar to the Spring Festival. Nagasaki Kanchi Festival, October 7 to 9, historic festival in Nagasaki. Thanks for listening. See you later.